Hi, hello, welcome to Match Medium. Today I came with the exercise 7.2 from fractions NCERT. Question number 1. Draw number lines and locate the points on them. This is about the number lines, how we are representing fractions on a number line. I already explained you in previous videos. See the description box for the link about fraction representation on a number line. So now coming to the question here, it is question number A, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and C, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, and 4 by 5. Here are the some fractions are there. So we have to locate on a points on number line. So let's start with the question number A. Take the help of scale and draw a number line. So this is as 0. So here no need to represent negative values. So here how we have to locate numbers first of all in a number line. See here, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. All denominators have 4 except here. This is 2. So we can convert it into a equivalent fraction to this. So if you multiply with a 2 by 2 into this, so we get 2 by 2 2s are 4. Next similarly 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. So now represent in a number line. I am taking each 2 centimeters as 1. So 4 and 6 and 8 etc. So let it be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. 3 by 4, this is 2 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. Here, see here 2 by 4, this is the representation, and if you take 1 by 4, this is the 1 by 4, and 3 by 4, this is the 3 by 4, and this is the 4 by 4. So this is the representation of a number line with a given question. Similarly, see here, take a number line for this. So extend this as possible as. So no need to represent negative values. So let's take here 0. Next it is all with a 5. So we have to take up to 8 because of we have greater amount of numerator is 8. So we have to take it as more than 8 parts. So 8 is enough for this. So let's start number line. So I am taking each 1.5 as 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here by 5, by 5, by 5, by 5. This is 5. This is said to be 1 also. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5 and 9 by 5 also. See here, this is 2 by 5. This is the point 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. This is the point 4 by 5. This is and 8 by 5. This is the representation of a fractions on a number line. Just take a simple line with a possible equal amount of numbers on a number line. So let's divide it into which denominator is given. So divide it into equal parts and represent on a number line. That is simple. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Stay connected for more videos and thank you.